Welcome to Battle of the Best. The best Serviceberry Tree is probably one of the most versatile and rewarding additions you can make to your garden, offering a delightful trifecta of ornamental beauty, delicious edible berries, and a haven for local wildlife, making it a truly exceptional choice for any homeowner seeking to enhance their outdoor space with a plant that gives back in multiple ways throughout the seasons. Number 5. AeroGarden Harvest Indoor Garden. Experience the joy of abundant harvests year-round with this indoor hydroponic system. Grow your favorite vegetables, herbs, or flowers in water, without any soil mess. This compact countertop garden allows you to grow up to 6 different live plants simultaneously. It features a spacious grow deck and water bowl, accommodating plants up to 12 inches tall. Our full-spectrum 20W LED grow light mimics natural sunlight with an automatic timer. It helps your plants germinate up to 5 times faster than they would in soil. The touch-sensitive illuminated control panel provides simple operation. It conveniently reminds you when to add water and plant food for a hassle-free gardening experience. This indoor garden comes complete with a 20W LED grow light system, power adapter, and liquid plant food. It also includes a gourmet herb seed pod kit with popular herbs like basil, parsley, dill, thyme, and mint. What we like? This is perfect for anyone wanting fresh herbs or small vegetables year-round, regardless of outdoor space or gardening experience. If you love cooking with fresh ingredients or want a touch of green indoors, this is an excellent choice. Its automated features make it incredibly easy to use. What people say. The Serviceberry Tree is a beautiful addition to any garden, offering stunning spring blossoms and delicious edible berries. It's a hardy and low-maintenance tree that thrives in various soil conditions and is relatively pest-resistant. The tree provides excellent fall color, transitioning to vibrant shades of orange and red, making it a year-round ornamental asset. Number 4. Gardener's Basic Survival Vegetable Seeds Garden Kit. Discover a wide variety of 35 easy-to-grow vegetable types, totaling over 16,000 non-GMO and heirloom seeds. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need to start your home garden. Our seeds are carefully packed in individual seed packets to prevent mold and ensure quality. Each packet comes with complete growing and harvesting instructions, making it ideal for indoor and hydroponic systems. These seeds are grown, sourced, and packaged right here in the USA. They offer excellent emergency food security, whether you're growing them or storing them for future use. Selected by experienced gardeners for their ease of growth in various conditions, these seeds are perfect for both beginners and seasoned enthusiasts. They are a great addition to any gardening project. We are confident you'll love your survival garden seeds. If you encounter any issues, please don't hesitate to reach out to us for assistance. What we like? If you're focused on self-sufficiency, emergency preparedness, or simply want a wide variety of reliable vegetables for your garden, this is the pack for you. It's ideal for those who value non-GMO and heirloom options and want to ensure a food source in any situation. The included markers add great convenience. What people say. Tons of variety with over 16,000 seeds, and everything sprouted way better than I expected. The non-GMO heirloom seeds are a huge plus, and the free plant markers are super handy. It has different priority of vegetables that you would like to grow, and it shows on the back the duration of how long it takes for the seeds to grow. Number 3. Farmer's Secret Fruit Tree Booster Fertilizer, 32 ounces. Unlock the full potential of your fruit trees with our specially formulated plant food. It's designed to promote healthy growth and abundant fruit production. This fertilizer provides critical nutrition during the early growth cycle, from dormancy until fruit begins to bud. It ensures all your fruit trees receive the best start. Our product is incredibly concentrated, meaning a little goes a very long way. You'll get maximum benefit with minimal product. Simply dilute 1 teaspoon into a gallon of water and apply weekly. Adjust the amount slightly for younger or mature trees as needed. We bring the same scientifically developed formulas used by farmers directly to your garden. Discover the secret to a thriving fruit harvest. Feel confident knowing that our product is bottled with pride right here in Kentucky. What we like? For those with existing fruit trees, this fertilizer is a game changer for boosting production and health. If you're looking to maximize your harvest of peaches, apples, or other fruits, its concentrated formula means a little goes a long way. It's specifically designed for critical growth stages. What people say. The berries are edible and delicious, tasting like a mix between blueberries and cherries. The tree is very hardy and disease-resistant, requiring minimal care once established. It provides beautiful spring blossoms followed by vibrant fall foliage, making it an attractive ornamental tree year-round. Number 2. Austree Hybrid Willow Trees, 50 Live Plants. Introducing the Austree Hybrid Willow, the fastest-growing tree in the world. These trees can grow up to 10 feet per year, providing rapid results for your needs. Achieve fast privacy and shade with these popular hybrid willows. They are attractive, easy to maintain, and produce no seeds or cotton for a clean look. These trees are excellent for the environment. They help with erosion control, dry up bogs, produce oxygen, and filter the air, while also being great for wildlife and deer resistant. Growing these trees is easy. We provide detailed instructions and tips for success, including helpful links to YouTube videos. Your satisfaction is guaranteed. If you encounter any issues with your order, please contact us for a quick and simple solution. What we like. If you need rapid privacy, shade, or want to address erosion issues quickly, these trees are your best bet. They grow incredibly fast, making them ideal for landscaping projects where immediate impact is desired. Their environmental benefits are also a significant plus. What people say. They root vigorously whether started in soil or water and quickly produce strong stems and leaves. These things want to grow. All sticks have roots and buds where limbs are growing. Number 1. Perfect Plants Moonglow Pear Tree. Meet the Moonglow Pear Tree from Perfect Plants. It's a European variety known for being a heavy producer of delicious fruit. This tree offers sweet fruit perfect for fresh eating, baking, or canning. In spring, it bursts with beautiful white flowers. Once established, this pear tree is remarkably easy to care for. It thrives in rich soil and will reward you with fruit in just 3 to 5 years. As a deciduous tree, it gracefully sheds its leaves in the fall. But it returns in late winter, covered in vibrant foliage and stunning blossoms. Bring the joy of homegrown pears to your garden with this exceptional variety. Enjoy its bounty year after year. What we like. This is the tree for you if you dream of harvesting your own sweet, European pears within a few years. If you're looking for a low-maintenance fruit tree that offers beautiful blossoms and delicious fruit for fresh eating or baking, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for home orchards. What people say. The Serviceberry Tree is a beautiful addition to any garden, offering stunning spring blossoms and delicious edible berries in the summer. It's a hardy tree that thrives in various soil conditions and is relatively low maintenance, making it a great choice for both novice and experienced gardeners. The tree provides excellent habitat and food for local wildlife, attracting birds and beneficial insects to your yard. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.